How can I connect with strangers and avoid small talk? But you know what? That's two questions, okay? How do I connect with strangers is one question. How do I avoid small talk is another. The nature of any connection with a stranger has to start with small talk. So right away in the question, I want to kind of correct that because you can't go up to someone and say, so what bra size are you? Or what's your home address? Right? Or excuse me, how much, can I look through your camera roll? You don't start with the deep questions, people. You got to start with small. And what are you looking for when you look to make small talk? You're looking for anything you have in common with that person. Is the weather cold for both of you? Are you getting the same burrito at Chipotle? Do you have the same shoes? If you get into a cab or an Uber, you can say like, yeah, so where are you from? They might say their local neighborhood, or they might say their home country. And you can say, hey, you know what, I know someone from there. Oh, I went and traveled there. Oh, you know what, I was just there last week. Once you find a little bridge and you positively support that connection, the person opens up a little bit more. They recognize that you're not nuts, you're just looking for a little conversation. And they say, well, where are you from? And it goes from there. So the real point of this video is really to separate those two things. How do I make conversation with strangers is one. How do I avoid making small talk is another thing. All conversation with strangers must start small. Otherwise, you're going to come across as a weirdo and someone with poor judgment. So you have to start with small talk and look to keep bridging up to more deep subjects. Me personally, I tried this with everybody, okay? I'd say 80% of people don't give me the time of day. 10% of people think I'm like flamboyantly gay and I'm like hitting on them, okay? And the other 10% of people make a deep connection with me. They do. They get somewhere on a plane ride or in a cab and we kind of like have a bit of tears in our eyes or we shake hands and I say, good luck, brother, or whatever. And those conversations are special. I'll probably have 3 or 4 conversations like that with strangers every single week. It's because you got to put yourself out there, try the small talk first, ladder it up to big talk, and you'll make some great connections in life. Good luck. If you like that one, leave me a comment below. Leave me a comment, a connection you had with somebody, one way you tried this and it worked or it didn't work. I will read and respond to every single one.